Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics like scientists. To begin, always prioritize a deep understanding of foundational principles. Scientists build knowledge layer by layer, ensuring each base is solid. This means truly grasping concepts like Newton's 3 laws of motion or the conservation of energy before moving to more complex areas. Dedicate at least 1/3 of your study time to these core ideas, ensuring you can explain them clearly to someone else. Next, engage in active learning just as a scientist would. Don't just read, actively solve a wide variety of problems, perhaps 10 to 15 per chapter, to apply your theoretical knowledge. Imagine conducting thought experiments to predict outcomes, much like Einstein did. When reviewing actual experiments, critically analyze the data, looking for patterns or anomalies, and draw your own conclusions, rather than simply accepting given results. Scientists rarely work in isolation, and neither should you. Actively seek out opportunities to discuss complex physics ideas with your peers and mentors. Explaining a concept to someone else is one of the most effective ways to solidify your own understanding. Aim to do this at least once a week. Practice presenting your findings or solutions concisely and logically, perhaps in a 5-minute summary, just as you would in a scientific conference. Finally, embrace physics study as a continuous, iterative process. Regularly review past material, perhaps dedicating 20 minutes each day to reinforce your learning and prevent forgetting. Stay curious and updated with new discoveries and theories in the field, reading at least one popular science article weekly. Most importantly, view every mistake not as a failure, but as a valuable opportunity for deeper understanding and growth, just like a true scientist.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.